Okay, so looking at the overview for the week. I told you guys Monday that I wanted to see if the dollar could get back above this level. The dollar did get back above the level, but it couldn't hold above it. We see it push back below it Thursday. And then today, the market started to push back above it and did close above it. However, we are in this engulfing candle that just occurred. So I want to see how the market reacts when the market opens up Sunday or whenever the dollar opens back up. If the dollar pushes up aggressively, then I will expect to see the dollar come up and retest this price level and even come back and retest this engulfing candle. However, if the market opens bearish, I expect for the dollar to keep pushing to the downside. So with that being said, let's look at Euro USD. Now you guys know that we've been selling the dollar for the longest, and we know that um, Euro USD moves inversely to the dollar. So whenever we're selling the dollar, we're always buying the Euro USD. So we've been buying Euro USD really from down here, but recently from this structure. I think from uh, week before last, we bought Euro USD off of this level at 1.1852, and we've just been riding Euro USD up. I told you guys Monday. I told you guys Monday that I wanted to see Euro USD come back down and retest this level. We did not get there. Euro USD pushed down towards that level, but however, we got this very aggressive push up, and then we see today Euro USD came back down and retested that level and respected it. So I will expect Euro USD to push to the upside when the market opens Sunday, and um, I expect to for Euro USD to be bullish most of next week. Um, Looking at GBP USD, um, I did want to see GBP USD buy off of that gray structure. It did give us that buy, but we slammed back down through that structure, and that was mostly because of some bad news that came out in the UK dealing with Brexit. So whenever they get all that settled, if the dollar continues to sink, I do expect GBP USD to continue this uptrend that it's been in. Um, Looking at NZD USD, you guys know that I'm on the sideline for NZD USD. I do want to see NZD USD come back down and retest the grade area. However, uh, I might start taking interest in this area here if NZD USD respects this engulfed candle that and got engulfed by this bullish candle here. If it comes down and retests that candle and respects it, I might start looking to buy um, NZD USD in this price area. But however, I do really want to see NZD USD come down and give me a buy off of this price area here. Um, Looking at Bitcoin, I told you guys, like I've been telling you guys, buy the dip. So whenever you see we get a good dip in Bitcoin, buy it. Silver, I want to see silver come back down to this grade area. Let me go down to the hour. and I would like to buy silver in this gray area. We did get the perfect sell opportunity off these levels that I tell you guys that stay relevant, whether it's a sell or buy. So sell or buy. So just keep that in mind. I do want to see gold come back down and retest this green area. I will look to buy off of this area at 1811. Um, and last but not least, U30. I told you guys that Monday that if U30 didn't break above this high, that I did want to see U30 come down and retest this low, and then this low, and then this low potentially. U30 didn't break above there, but it only came down and retested this low, and then pushed up and created a new all-time high, and then slammed back down and started creating lower highs and lower lows. And then it eventually did come and retest the levels that I wanted to see price come and retest all the way down to here. And then today it pushed back up above this last um, resistance level that it sold off of. It pushed back above it and closed above it right before market close. So being that U30 is, being on this good uptrend, markets are appearing to be healthy. They shut down. They rejected Trump's they rejected his lawsuit to recount the votes for the election. So the markets is going to probably have a good reaction to a Biden presidency for the short term, but then we'll definitely see a big sell off in the markets when reality sets in. So, but however, with that being said, I would um like to see market still push up. If it pushed through this engulfing candle here, I would like to see at least push up and retest this next resistance. Um, if you look at when the market opened up Sunday, I told you guys Friday, if you go back and look at the YouTube video, I told you guys that when the market opened up, I expect to see the market open up bullish and retest this high because we've been in a bullish trend for the last 2-3 weeks. And I said I expect that the market will at least open up bullish and retest this high and then come back down and retest this level here. And so if you'd have watched my Friday video and paid attention to it, or went back and watched it Saturday or Sunday morning or Sunday afternoon before the market opened up at 5, you could have set a buy stop here. You could have set your take profit here. And that is 747 pips. You could have set your stop loss here below the low. We'll make that red for stop loss. this is blue for buy, this is green for take profit. Now let's go down to the 15-minute and let's see first, let's see what kind of risk to reward that is. It's a 2.88. So it's almost 3-1, which is good. That's what we aiming for, a 3-1. So even if you wanna push it, so you stick to the rule and make it at least a 3. Do it right there just so we stick to the rule. So it's a 3-1. All right. Let's play it and see if what Mr. Levels said was gonna happen, or if he got stopped out. Let's go. Boom. Is that not a good trade? Was that not a good trade? Was that not a good trade? How many pips? Let's see. Let's just say 775 pips. And 75 points. Easy money. Had you paid attention or had you went back and watched Friday's video. But, you just gotta want it. You just gotta want it. Can't say you want it, but then don't put no time and effort in it. Cause then you ain't doing nothing but lying to yourself. So come on guys. Let's be diligent. Let's pay attention. Let's grow in our knowledge in these charts, in these markets, and in these world economics. And let's get this money, y'all. Let's build this generational wealth and pass it on to our seeds so they can pass it on to their seeds and their seeds and their seeds. As always, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Let your family and your friends know you love them while they still here. And as always, everybody, peace and love.